We are at Radisson Karjat and we had an absolutely amazing time eating the food over here. Despite being such a mixed bag of group, we had vegans, we had Jains, but all of us found something to love over here. And especially the service, the warmth of the staff and the chef team, just amazing. I couldn't not interview Director Food and Beverages at Radisson Karjat, Mr. Rajiv Bharadwaj, and the Executive Chef, Mr. Sohail Karimi, because this was their team and this was such a wonderful interview. There were things that I didn't know about Radisson, and it was interesting to see the approach that chefs and the food and beverage team take towards vegan food. So it's a very short interview, but I am very sure you will enjoy. I really like the staff here. I like the knowledge that these guys have about vegan food. Very impressive. Have you done special training to get them up to speed about vegan food?
Yes, we do the trainings for the staff in regards to tell them what is vegan exactly. Nowadays what is happening, it is, every guest wants food which is be without any fat, right? And probably what is happening nowadays, they recommend us to give vegan food in the priority, right? In back days when I used to do work on the range and in restaurants, the demand is so less, but yes, nowadays the request is so high. For that we have to give special training to our staff so that they are aware what is vegan food.
Correct.
So that's it.
Because normally people, at least the wait staff and all, they don't know. They'll
Yes.
ask कि अच्छा vegan क्या है?
Yes.
ये नहीं है, उसमें ये नहीं,
Exactly.
whatever. But here everybody knew. I just had to use the word vegan and just done.
Nowadays 20% of crowd is coming who want the vegan food to me in the restaurant.
Oh, very nice.
Yes.
That's good. So is this for just the retail, like the individual guests, or is it also the institutional customers? So your weddings or corporates?
It is both the crowd is mixed, right? It is the FID which is frequent individual traveler, as well as the companies, the groups which are coming to us, they also require vegan food.
Oh,
Right, if the group is coming for 100 packs, in that the guests need 10% vegan food,
very nice.
right? So the trend is raising up nowadays.
Nowadays, the social awareness has become so much. And people are learning from each other on the social media,
Yeah.
and the awareness is spreading out to the people.
Yeah.
So based on that, again, we being in the hospitality industry, we also have to be in par with the trends which is happening in the market.
I saw you guys have like soya milk and all. You all keep a stock of that. So how do you, on an average, you expect like say 20% people will want vegan food? So that's how you plan your inventory.
Interesting question. Actually, it is our brand standard to keep plant-based, right? Since it's international brand, right? RIG, Radisson Hotel Group, right? So we have to keep one, plant-based milk as well as yogurt also.
Apart from that, we do also have lactose-free milk and lactose-free products on our buffet.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So are you also looking at plant-based meat, plant-based chicken?
Already have soya-based products like soya chunks and everything. Yes, we are working on it as well. We have the options as well available with us.
So it is in starting phase, ma'am, as you told. It is in the starting phase. Definitely it will spread little bit. It will take time to spread.
As the awareness spreads and as there's a demand from the customers,
Correct.
there will be a supply.
Yeah. Okay, now both you are the chef and you, Mr. Rajiv, you used to
Yes, chef.
be a chef, right?
Right.
Now either one of you can answer. What has been the most easy and the most difficult vegan dish to make for a guest?
What vegan exactly? It is totally fat-free. It's totally the animal-based, right? So everything we can make, ma'am. Right? It is not difficult as much we thought. It is so difficult to make vegan food. See, if I want to cook some mixed vegetable, I can make it without any type of fat, any type of ghee. So you can parboil it, season it well, and give it to the guest.
Okay.
It's easy.
Have you ever tried creating something from scratch? So this is adapting an
Yes.
existing or a popular dish to suit the vegan palate.
Right.
Now have you created something from scratch which is vegan? vegan?
Yeah, we keep on doing our trials with new dishes and new recipes, of course. We have tried some of the desserts and everything.
Over here, I tried the vegan kheer last night.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing.
Apart from that, you can also try the pancake of moong dal. Not tried that.
No, I've not tried that.
Next time we'll definitely do that.
So I had tried the vegan, you give me the fruit custard, which
Yes,
was also
custard.
really nice.
Yes.
We were actually wondering what is the custard made of. Kheer I think was made of coconut milk,
Yes.
Yes.
right? And custard we couldn't identify, but it tasted as good as like what you normally eat.
Yeah.
So that was really
And again, ma'am, it depends upon how you're knowledgeable in your culinary, okay, and how you can substitute the ingredients with an vegan ingredient. So again, that the bottom is how strong are you in your culinary terms.
nice. Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.